Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a stable connection and available storage. Power cycle the router, then reboot the Xbox 360. Once done, check system update history to see the error code. Make sure you have a FAT32 USB drive formatted, or opt to download the update directly on the console. You'll need to clear at least a few hundred megabytes. This prevents partial installs. Start the update process immediately after these checks, so you capture fresh logs and reduce interference. Now you execute the chosen update path. For USB, copy the $system update folder to the root, insert it into the console, then restart the Xbox. The system auto-detects it. For console download, go Settings, System, Network, run the test, then choose System Update when prompted. You should watch the %complete and any on-screen code. If the update stalls, don't interrupt power immediately. Wait a minute. Then try a soft restart to allow the installer to reset. Finish by rebooting the console twice to ensure the update applied cleanly, then sign into your profile and test a game or dashboard feature. If the update fails, write down the exact error code. This directs the next step. Try a different FAT32 USB or switch to a wired Ethernet connection and repeat. Make sure to clear the system cache before reattempting. This removes corrupted temp files that often block installs. If problems continue, use the code to search specific fixes or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.